I saw people flying these things over my house and decided to get one. It's been a fun project putting it together. Can't wait to try it out. It only cost $100 with free shipping from China. Not bad, although it had some strange insects in the box. Hopefully they don't spread. I bought this off of eBay and I'm not sure if they sent me all the parts. Guess we will find out. I don't see any holes for the bolts. And I also have no bolts. I hope these zip ties hold up. Engine's running, here we go. Handling pretty well on the street. I hope it can lift me. Please lift me. The steering seems off. Whoa, straight through the bushes. Watch out, car! Get out of the way! Wow. Oh, here we go! Up the slide, hold on! Yes, I'm flying! I did it! Through the lines! Yes! Wow, this... Hope that part wasn't important. I'm flying so high! This is the best! Oh, hi, little cute bird. Ow, stop! Get away! Ah, no!
Look what you did to our house, you weirdo! No! Take that! And that! Get out! Get out right now!
Get out of our house!
Get out of our house!
Oh, stop, please! You broke our window! It was an accident!
Liar! Get out now!
We're calling the police!
Get out, you freak!
Whoa, stop it!
Get out! Get out of my house!
Please!
You freak! Get out!
We hate you! We hate you!
We hate you! Get out!
We hate you, Pay! I hope you hate it!
How dare you enter our home of love and kindness!
How dare you enter our home of French and love! Are you two rascals playing with another solicitor again? You caught us, silly!